Hi guys, today we're making baked brie bites. I dare you to say that 3 times in a row. It is such a tongue twister. Baked brie bites, baked brie bites, baked brie bites. I nearly got it. Anyways, this little recipe is perfect for the festive season. It makes a really delicious appetizer or hors d'oeuvre, depending on where you live in the world. There's only a few ingredients, you don't need many at all, and we're also going to be using our air fryer, so we can whip it up super fast. Let's get these baked brie bites ready for the silly season. Let's go. So for the ingredients, we have some puff pastry here. I'm going to divide it up in a minute. We also have some brie, which I have just chopped into nice little chunks here. I have got some cranberry jam, or I think this is called lingonberry jam. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact pronunciation of that. And then I also have some rosemary sprigs here, which I have just chopped up as well, and a little bit of egg wash. So that is all that we need for this recipe. Super quick, super easy. I have a pizza cutter here for my little piece of puff pastry. So I'm going to divide it into thirds, and I'm just going to eyeball it. If you want to get really pedantic, you could measure it out, but you know what? Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And another one. Yep. Okay, cool. And then again, turn it around and into thirds. Awesome. Now, all we're going to do is put these little cubes of brie in the middle. Everybody loves brie. You and you. Next, we're going to get our little teaspoon and just do a little dollop of our cranberry jam or lingonberry jam. These are gonna look super cute. You know what, I was just thinking a little nut of sorts would be really nice on this too, like a walnut. That would be delicious. So if you want and you're feeling nutty, go for it. Cool. Now for the rosemary sprigs like that. So cute. Now for the egg wash, I have gone with egg and water. You can also go with egg and milk. And I'm just gonna get the egg wash and go around the sides of the pastry. So here. Yum. Okay, then after this, we're going to put these in the air fryer. I will baste the bottom of the air fryer with a tiny bit of oil just so that it doesn't stick, because we want them just to pop off. Slide out nice and easy. I just have a little bit of oil here, which I'm going to baste the bottom of this with. And I am just going to do probably 4 of these baked brie bites at a time. I don't need to overcrowd it in here. They only take a short amount of time anyway to cook. Now, if you want, you can fold it up slightly or over it. I was just going to put them in like this. So grab it out. Okay, and pop that on. I'll show you in a minute once it's all in. Can you see? So I've got 4 in there. All right. So we're going to cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes and check on them, see how they're going. So I'll turn that on. I want the temperature to be 180 degrees Celsius. There we go. So we'll cook these ones first. We're going to batch make them. Once they're ready, we'll get the other ones in, and we're going to have baked brie bites in no time at all. Ooh, they look good. They're so golden, crispy. I'm just going to wait till we hear the ding, because I just like the ding. And then I'll show you what we did. They're oozing brie, cranberry jam. You can smell the rosemary. It's gonna be awesome. Okay. I cannot wait to show you. I'm gonna show you this one first because it's perfection. Oh, guys, can you see this? Golden, fluffy, brie oozing. I love that this one has kind of exploded in there as well, because it just makes it look really rustic. It's really hot. They're sliding out really nicely as well because we basted it with that little bit of oil. Here we go. Here they are, guys. They look so pretty. Look. If you don't want this for the silly season, you're silly. We're gonna do a little bit more. Get the next round in, just a little top up. perfect. Not that it really needs it, but I like to be sure. In we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Round 2 coming off. Again, 8 minutes, 180. It's already set. Let's go. We're nearly ready for the last round to come, second last round to come out. We've got 2 more to go in after. These ones here have been cooling down while we're waiting. So gorgeous. Ding! Let's go. Equally as beautiful. Check it out. The cranberry jam is honestly glistening. This is going to be such a yummy bite. Pastry, gooey cheese, and sweet jam. Last one's in. There's still enough oil on this one actually to not have to baste it again. So I'm just going to go straight in. There we go. See you soon, little guys. 8 more minutes. Okay, here we go. Bring out the last ones. Oh, this one had a bit of an explosion. One casualty. He just kind of exploded. We've got puff pastry, but the rest fell off. Perfection. Guys, you can thank me later. Canapes are ready. It's time to try one. They all look absolutely amazing. I'm gonna try this little one here because it looks perfect. Look at that. Oh, wow. This is not like have one appetizer and you're done type thing. You could like eat this whole plate. This is just the most perfect Christmas or Thanksgiving appetizer. Really easy to make. You can whip it up super fast. Few ingredients and it tastes insane. Look at the baked brie and the jam. And it sits on top of that flaky pastry. Make it. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today, guys. I hope that you love this recipe just as much as I do. If you like this type of thing, if cheese is up your alley, I have tons of other videos on my channel. Make sure you check out my description box. One of my favorites and one of my viewers' favorites is my cranberry and pecan baked brie. Absolutely sensational. I've also got a really delicious one wrapped in pastry as well as camembert pull-apart bread. So make sure you check out those videos. And if there are any other recipes that you want to learn how to make sure you let me know in the comment section too. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.